Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to load multiple text files from a folder in Power BI. So first I will show my folder. This is my folder which is in D drive, files, text and archive. This is my folder path. So here you can see four text files related to person data. So in the first text file, it's three records are there. Coming to the second text file, two. So this is the third text file. It is also two, and fourth one is two. Okay. So total number of records are here. 7 rows are there in four different text documents, which are there in one single folder. Okay. I want to load the data into the Power BI. Okay. So if you want to load the data, we can use get data from other sources and mention the required source document, whether it is CSV, Excel or text file. But here we want to load four text documents from one particular folder. Then at the time you can select the option as folder. See here, folder. Generally, if you want to load text and CSV, you can select the text and CSV or Excel as per your requirement. But here I want to load multiple text documents in one folder. Then you can select the option folder. Okay, folder and connect. So it is asking to folder path. So browse the path. My folder is in D drive, files, test and archive. So in this folder I have four text files. Okay, click OK. So I already shown there are 9 rows in that all four text documents. Okay, so if you open the file, you see these are the details of the files. So file name, the name of the file, person.txt extension txt. So date modified. So when the file is created, date created, when the modified and when the created. So records and folder path. Details of the text documents. Okay. So here there are two options. See here, combine and transform data and combine and load. If you click on combine and load, it go to the visuals and you can work by clicking on the combine and load. But here if you click combine and load, it will go to Power View. If you click combine and transform data, then it will Power Query Editor window will getting opened. Okay, I am so now the window is getting opened. Okay, if you see here, so we will see only three records from the first file. Okay, just click on OK, ignore the this window and click OK. One more window is opened here. Now you can see Power Query Editor. So all these are records. 9 records are there. 9 rows are there in four text documents. First three records from the first person.txt and second two from the person1.txt and seventh records from person2.txt and last one is person3.txt. If you see here in the down 9 rows, total number of rows are 9 here. Or if you want to get the count, so transform and count rows. If you click the count rows, you can see here 9. Suppose I want to add one more file in this same document. I want to load one more file. So here I'm taking person1.txt, which is having 2 rows. Okay, I'm just simply copy and paste it here and change the file name. Change the file name as person4.txt. Okay, so right now it is showing 9 rows. Now if you want to refresh, so where you need to refresh here, so refresh, so here click on refresh and refresh all. See, now 2 more rows are getting added because we are adding person4.txt. Okay, so like this. So in the Power BI you can you can load multiple files very easily when compared to other. So as per your requirement, if you want to take directly Power View, you can go to Power View and apply your visualization tools. Or if you want to combine all rows from all text documents or multiple files in Power Query Editor. So this is as per requirement. After making some changes, you can apply your logics using visualization tools in the Power BI. So this is how you know to load multiple values in a folder into the Power BI. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.